This video demonstrates how I created bubbles using geometry nodes for this underwater scene. A blend file containing the bubble generator can be downloaded from the link provided in the video description. The bubbles are visible starting from frame 1, thanks to an initialization phase that occurs before the simulation phase. Here are the geometry nodes used in the generator. To better understand how it works and potentially customize it to suit your needs, let's focus on the initialization phase. The initialization phase utilizes a subgroup, which is also employed during the simulation phase. Both phases share this common group node to displace the bubbles. Now, let's examine the simulation phase and dive into the subgroup. There's no magic here, just note the height limit for bubble disappearance to prevent them from accumulating indefinitely. Two types of distortions are applied to the bubbles. One affects only their scale and can be applied to instances, while the other applies to foreground bubbles and uses noise-based distortion. The foreground bubble instances therefore need to be realized. The goal is to limit the number of realized instances to avoid performance issues or running out of memory. By now, the role of the parameters in the bubble generator should be easy to understand.